In the Black Sea neutral waters, the Russian Ivan Khurs reconnaissance ship was attacked by 3 marine drones. All the ships involved in the attack were destroyed by the ship's artillery fire. Ukrainian drones carried out another raid on Belgorod region territory. In the regional capital, UAV hit a passing car, and in Borisovka, administrative buildings were damaged. Artillery shelling of the Shebekinsky district border territories continues. As a result of the attack on Terezovka, a man was injured by shrapnel and was hospitalized. In the north of the Kharkiv region, AFU continue to build up their grouping at the border. Additional reserves have been moved to the area of Velika Pisarivka, Mezanivka, and Krasnopilya. In the Lysychansk sector, the front line remains stable, with positional fighting continuing near Bilohorivka and Spirna. Russian troops do not launch active offensives, hitting AFU positions with cannon and rocket artillery. Near Bakhmut, Russian troops have taken up a stable defense on the flanks, preventing the AFU from advancing. Nevertheless, the high AFU troops concentration indicates that the enemy does not intend to freeze the front in this area. In the Donetsk direction, the position fighting continues to the west of Novobakhmutivka. The AFU command intends to hold the line between Novokalinove and Karamik and is transferring additional reserves to the area. AFU continue to launch artillery strikes on Donetsk and nearby towns. A school and a cultural center were damaged in the Kievsky district of DPR's capital. 5 people were wounded. In the Kherson direction, the left riverbank is under constant AFU fire. Russian troops, in turn, are engaged in counter-battery warfare and launch strikes on enemy firing positions and ammunition depots.